because we believe the psychedelic proposition is a completely new way of treating and delivering mental health and addiction. And so we will be publishing the results of the trial that proves ketamine delivered in the proprietary manner that we have licensed is more effective at treating alcohol use disorder than anything else in the world. And it'll be published in the American Journal of Psychiatry, which is a leading journal. And so we'll be publishing the results of that first stage gate from that drug discovery program, which will include some pretty important results. We'll be doing that in early Q4. So we got a lot of stuff coming down the line. Drug discovery, ketamine phase 2B publication, MDMA phase 2B clinical trial application, and then opening up. And that's the 4 core pillars that need to be delivered that we all know about, right? Which is compound, therapy, therapist, and the delivery environment, be that a medical clinic or something softer and more on the sort of the preventative side that you mentioned in your noodle, rather than the cure side that perhaps we are more focused on in Awakn. And so because we believe and we know that that's what needs to be delivered in order to achieve best outcomes for individuals, that's why we're focused on 2 sides of the coin, or both sides of the mirror, whichever way you'd like to say it, of development and delivery. So we're a biotechnology company developing the next generation of therapeutics, psychedelic therapeutics, I should say, to better treat addiction. So that's drugs and therapies delivered together in combination to better. Key milestones we've got coming down the line are the formal opening of our clinic in Bristol, the formal opening of our clinic in London. It's also on the back onto the development side. It'll be securing reg and ethics approval for a phase 2B MDMA trial. So we've acquired the IP from that phase 2B ketamine trial. We've also acquired the team and the IP from the phase 2A trial for MDMA for alcohol use disorder. That trial was published in February. We're going to bring that forward into phase 2B. And so across those 2 assets, we will be particularly advanced. In fact, probably one of the most advanced psychedelics companies in the use of psychedelics to treat addiction on the research basis. But not only that, we're working with MDMA and ketamine to develop the therapies. We're also running our own from the ground up drug discovery program. And we've acquired 6 years worth of proprietary research from Professor David Nutt's consultancy company. And we're partnering now with Evotech, the world's largest drug discovery company, to develop from the ground up our own version of those psychedelics that we think are particularly good at disrupting the brain circuits that we want disrupted in a more efficient and focused manner.